This is Tarun Anand from Universal Business School. Today is a very, very important day for each one of you, and the next few days and week will determine your entire future. I've been where you've been. I graduated out of SP JAIN Institute of Management and Research, so I know the tension. But believe you me, if you can put in your efforts in these couple of days, you can change the life, you can change your world. So I wish you all the very best to give it your 100% and give it all. And you will have an amazing career, I'm sure of it. I'm going to end with this quote. The heights of great men, reached and kept, were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. So congratulations to all of you for a massive career boost which you're going to get in the next couple of weeks, and wish you all the very best from Universal Business School. Thank you.